Okay, let's begin. This is going to be just a short video on explaining how to kind of fix the box projection issues. I've had this issue for a while now. I thought my PBR files were corrupted, but as you can see, it's actually not. So as an example here, you can see right here, this is what the proper thing should look like. This is some kind of like rock texture right here. And this is the issue I was having. It's kind of projecting it kind of random. It looks like painting and stuff. Kind of looks weird. And the solution to this is actually fairly simple. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go down here and you're gonna basically just lower the displacement. Now the displacement is kind of, a little like necessary in some cases, but right now in this case we are not really using it anyways, so we can just pretty much turn it down and you can see that everything just turns back to normal. That's great. And finally you can see that there's a line in the middle right here, so you can do something like blend the thing a little bit right here. You can just increase the blend a little bit so it looks a little bit more seamless. And yeah, that's the fix. Now, if any of you coming here expected to learn about PBR, I'm sorry, this is not a class for PBR. But I mean, if you want to kind of learn about PBR, then I actually have a couple of old PBR videos back in the day. And it's pretty old, so if you want to see like a better version, maybe you can let me know in the comments and I'll maybe make like some kind of remastered version. And also I'll be uploading a video about meta rigs by this weekend, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.